like Google and SEO, they are, better since they are in the better since long ago. I mean, Google invents something, Google algorithm says ABC, and an SEO person get a trick that yeah, this three things we can do to solve this problem, and this is how Google algorithm works.
Hey guys, today we are here again with another podcast and of course with TGDNA. Today we are going to talk about a very trending topic that is SEO and AEO. So let me just briefly introduce to SEO and AEO in a little bit of fun way. I know it sounds like a spelling tech bee, right? But it is not. Basically, SEO is something that optimizes for search engines and AEO is something that talks to AI. For example, you can say that one is being your nerdy friend in school for years and the other one is the cool kid in the town. So, does this really need to be there? The answer is probably a yes. But in detail, we have Shraddha Agarwal who will be solving all our blockers just like she does on our daily Scrum call. So if you have any blockers, you must watch this podcast, know about SEO and AEO, as this is going to be trending always. So here we go. Hi Shraddha.
Hi, Vidali.
So shall we begin?
Yes.
So Shraddha, uh, what actually is AEO and how is it different from SEO?
Yeah, nowadays AEO is something so, buzzword, like people want to learn about this.
Yes.
And its full form is Answer Engine Optimization. It's similar to SEO, but we get a lots of information in first section where AI decide what to rank, which kind of article we need to pull in. That is AEO.
Okay. And Shraddha, how is it different from SEO? Like I mean, it is answer engine optimization. So what we need to use for that?
Right. So there are lots of techniques that we use for structured data. How we can put very efficiently in that whole content. That is something is very important when we talk about AU. Apart from that, 10 best thing to do XYZ. 10 mistake we have done in the business. And then we write some kind of content and blog, and that is curated by Google search engine in AI generated, and that section we call is search lab. So that is very important because before SEO, AEO comes. So that is very very important to rank on that, and for sure it will take time. And there is a lots of tool we are exploring overall, but yeah, there is a way to go and it will take its own time.
Yeah, absolutely. I think, like I mentioned in my introduction, also, it's like the cool new kid in the town.
Right.
Yeah. So, SEO is becoming outdated, or can it work together with AEO?
So it's uh, it works both ways. I mean, that is not obsolete at all, but this is something, if we talk about, then let's understand the structure of the any Google search engine. First, you will have search bar. Second, you have search lab where AEO content will display. After that, there will be Google Ads, and then there will be SEO. So SEO is not extinct, but think about that, 90-95% people will get answer in your that AI generated answer, right? So then why and how people will go down? So that is very important to understand that AEO is the most important term or most important activities in this AI era.
But as you said that SEO is not going to get in sync, but still, do you think that people need to work on their SEO skills?
Yes, for sure. I mean, SEO is the baseline. If you have not put meta content, H1 tag, and good blog, what is it, top three thing in this particular blog or H1 headline thing or alt images,
Yes.
then how AI will be able to read? Because AI cannot read image for 10,000 website. can do for 1 to 10, 50 images, but not that in during that search thing. So it usually read the heading, maybe the website, basic meta content, and then after like searching thousands of website, curate that thing and show it to you within like 5 seconds, 3 seconds, or less than a second also. So yeah.
So I think we need content both the ways, for SEO also and in also, right?
Right, and one most important thing are value addition. So earlier there was a lots of keyword stuffing or lots of backlinks. Then quality matters a lot. If you are providing any quality content and if you are adding any value to overall the content piece you are delivering, that is most important for Google also.
Do SEO tools like Ahrefs or and SEMrush work for AEO too?
Yes. So there are lots of tools which are kind of work in progress, I can say, or people are exploring. But the thing is that SEMrush and Ahref doesn't cover everything because that is new concept, and Google will not allow everything getting analyzed and everything. So for sure it will take its own time. But like Google and SEO, they are battle since they are in the battle since long ago. I mean, Google invents something, Google algorithm says ABC, and then SEO person get a trick that yeah, this three things we can do to solve this problem, and this is how Google algorithm works. Then I am sure that will be replicated in AEO also. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, we can say that the SEO and AO are friends.
Correct. And it can be mutually, can co-work together, AEO and SEO. And for sure, SEO is the base, but top up on that particular SEO, AEO can be done.
Oh, that's nice. Why? So how does AEO prepare us for AI systems like ChatGPT and Alexa?
Correct. So when it comes to AI generated content, let's understand the structure. How that AI generated contents come in front of us. Like someone searches something, Google search engine crawls in thousands of website, whatever that search engine picks or crawl pick on that information from different websites, it come together in that answer thing. So that is a search lab, that is a Alexa, or there is a chat GPT. Usually you will get curated information. You will not get any kind of link that go abc.com or xyz.com. Usually what you will get is the answer of 3-pointer or 5-pointer, and 90-95% time you will not go beyond also. You will get there at the answer.
Yes. So I think it's just a simplified version. So is that right?
It is a technical thing where Google are getting smarter and smarter. And earlier, if I want to research about how to shoot a podcast, now what I'll do, I will go on the YouTube, I will go in some website, I'll read few websites apart from that blog and so on. Now what I'll do is I will just type in Google.
Yes.
It will collate everything. And in YouTube also, if you will just upload in any AI tool, they will give you a script, and after the script they will give you 10 pointers how you can do that. So you can use that 30 minutes, and here you just need to spend 5 minutes. Then for sure what you will do, that 5 minutes cover. So that is very important.
Yeah. Yeah, anyone likes to do that 5 minutes or 10 minutes work, more convenient.
And that is effective. And that is effective also.
Yes.
Right.
So, Shraddha, can you tell us that AO focuses on AI and structured data, right? So can you elaborate that and let us know what actually it is?
Yeah. So what is a structured data, to understand? When there is a web page, there is a 20 things to talk about. But there is a theme of particular website, there is a theme of particular blog. Then what we need to, structure data we need to mention for the Google. Yeah, this 3 point or this one line I want to get Google crawled in. Then basically, that is something we need to take care of in terms of structured data. So let's talk about structured data first. What is the structured data? Structured data is a basic main content or topic that is related to that blog or web page, right? So whenever Google crawls in the website, they usually get all important data from that structured data, whatever we say that, and there is a way to set that. So we can do properly so that AEO and SEO can get data through structured data. So that is a structured data. And now how it helps, because back in the day when we talk about SEO, or now also we are doing a lots of things in SEO, uh, usually scroll 100 or 1000. Now AI at least scroll approx 10x. Then there are lots of data and they have a limited 1 second, 3 second or 5 second. In that they have to take out that information whatever suits, and they cannot do a website listing on the Google search engine. They just need one paragraph, three liner and pointer. So it's difficult for AI in terms of if we not pick that structured data. So it's very important to get the structured data right for your website to get a great research result on Google engine.
Oh, that's really, I mean, very fresh and new information for me. Is AEO harder than or easier than traditional SEO?
So SEO and AEO are complementary. It's not right or wrong or easy or difficult. It's kind of value addition when it comes to AEO, and for SEO also the same. But it's very new when it comes to any tool or any analysis that is difficult to do because it's evolving. SEO we know lots of, almost more than a decade we know that. But AEO is a kind of very new to start with. So tool are building, people are learning. Google have lots of user generated data. So that all thing is a kind of learning phase. And now AEO will definitely be a part for SEO. For now it's kind of top up, but in the future for sure it might, we never know, that will be grab the place of SEO.
Yeah, I think it might do so.
Yes.
How do content creators benefit from these trends?
So when it comes to content creator, then ChatGPT is miracle, I can say, because 50-60% work comes from the ChatGPT. And now you get the basic, you get the idea, and you have a fair idea what to talk about. And now for sure your expertise will be there, your thought process will be there, how you can create a human connection with human mind, that all everything will be there for sure. But that is very important when it comes to content creation. And how AEO or SEO will help is, whenever we search in a Google search engine, we get a lots of data. That is a user generated content. I mean, what I'm searching, which kind of content I'm doing thumbs up. So that all data, who tracks it? ChatGPT. And now that all information comes, on Google search engine and the search lab also. So it is very important for content writer also, because not that content writer, millions people are also writing to the same AI.
Yes.
And whole information goes to that AI, and that is the best part of AI is that all automation thing, collation thing or analytical thing, that it can do better versus human mind. So it is very important for content creation.
Yes, I think it really helps in collecting all the data so that you have everything in one place. So it becomes really easy nowadays.
Correct. Agree 100%.
Okay, so what is the funniest misconception you've heard about SEO and AEO that people are speaking of?
So people says that AO is just rebranded of SEO. And it's kind of rebranding thing of SEO, and it doesn't work like that. So SEO is something we know, that search and optimization, and it's an answer engine optimization, and it is not replacement. It is a kind of top up. We live in AI era, so that is a AEO. So that is not a replacement or rebranding.
I think it is just like saying that smartphones are just phones with screens, but actually they do a lot more. Trust me.
Of course, we have eliminated alarm, diary, calendar, and I think I can list 10 other things
Yes.
also what we have replaced with the phone. So that is not with screen only. A lot he does.
I think that is also between AO and SEO, right?
Right.
Can AO and programmatic SEO work together or coexist?
So AO is an answer engine optimization as we discussed, and programmatic SEO are a great way to automate all SEO. Just take an example, 1mg.com. They have 1 million, 1.5 million pages. They create for every medicine. For example, Disprin, Sumocoda, or whatever medicine. You will get everything. Benefit, side effect, and that cannot be done manually at all. Or it will take 5 years, 2 years, or 1 year.
Yes.
That doesn't happen. So in one day, I know someone who create 200 to 300 pages. That is SEO optimized. They use some script and tool for that, and that SEO programmatic is a kind of automated SEO you can think about. And now it will add a value on AEO also. So it coexists, but for sure, if we use the programmatic SEO well, you will get ranked in SEO for sure. That is the proven. But apart from that, AEO also take a lots of content from various websites and web pages. So yeah, it coexists.
Also, can you explain a bit about programmatic SEO for the viewers? Because in between there was a buzz between SEO and programmatic SEO. Now there is a buzz between AEO, programmatic SEO. So it's all connected, or how does that work together?
So when it comes to SEO, if I am a content writer, I will write 1 page, 2 page, 3 page in a day. After ChatGPT, maybe 5 blog in a week. But what programmatic SEO does, they run a script. They have certain parameter, of course, like heading or I take example of travel industry. So when it comes to you want to go Goa, and there will be heading. There's a hotel in Goa, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star, and 5-star you will get this amenity, that thing, and you will not allow it, and that is a beach, distance. Everything will be the basic structure of that web page. It can have 1,000 web pages or 10 web pages, but for sure point here is there will be some structure. Now what programmatic SEO does, that structure is this field in that Excel sheet, like there's a ABCD 10 hotel, 20 amenities, distance 0.3 kilometer, 1 kilometer, whatever. They upload in Excel, and page gets created with this data, with the help of this data. And template, who is taking care of template? There is a one template. There will be heading, there will be some amenities description and everything.
Oh, that's really nice. I mean, you explained it really well. So, if SEO is science, then what will you call AEO?
So it's a art-based science.
So you combine the both.
Yes.
That's nice. So we can put it this way, that if one got us on the Google page, that is SEO, and the other one got us into the AI brains.
Correct.
So I think it is not about using them differently, but I think it is about making a blend together of AEO and SEO, and optimizing well in both the terms.
And it's a complementary. It cannot have this or that. It's a kind of the gray area where their thing will work. So for sure, I mean, there is no rebranding thing is happening with SEO, that AEO is a rebranded term of AEO. Doesn't work like that. But for sure, that is a complementary. When it comes to AEO, then basic thing that SEO should be intact. If you have some website of travel industry or 1mg.com that we have shared, so that programmatic SEO is important. And then the top of it is like AEO. So AI based search engine or AI based that answer engine optimization is equally important as SEO.
So basically, if SEO can work, then AEO can run. But either way, you need to stay ahead of your competitors, right? So get in touch.